Droopy. Alrighty. You might remember Droopy. He's a fun cartoon character. He's almost got a bit of a funny toupee on here. Right here. We'll draw that first. Let's give him his little hair top there. That'll be the top of his head. That's right. There's the back of his head. Then we draw a bit down like that. And then we can draw Droopy's snout. Right here like this. Right on up. Lesuia's nose here. That's fun. And then we'll draw his face. Coming down like that. Same, that's his chin right about there. And we'll bring this on down like that. And we'll bring that right on around like that. Alrighty. What we can do here is a little bit like that. And we're gonna draw his ear here like this. Right on back up. Round it off. Let's mask his eyes like this. This is kind of fun. I like that. Give him some eyebrows. And Droopy's got some fun eyes. One here. The other one there. Some eyelids. And now we'll have him looking this way. There we go. Give him a bit of a scowl on his mouth because Droopy's a bit of a scowler. Alrighty now. Now we can draw his arm here like that. There's his first finger. There's his second. And then we'll draw his third. Right about there. He's a little bit of a pudgy fellow, he is. I'll give him a bit of a tummy. That's fun. Alrighty. And we'll bring him a leg down around here and we'll have his feet kind of crossing one another. Standing a little sloppily. And his bum can come around here and up like that. There we go. Bring his other foot here. There we go, as if they're kind of over top of one another. That's fun. And bring his leg up there. Let's not forget his tail. Alrighty. It looks like we've got Droopy. Let's get to the color. Droopy has light skin, purple eyelids, orange hair, black ears and nose. Thanks, everyone.